Okay. Hello, dear friends. Good afternoon. Such a beautiful, beautiful afternoon. Look at the sunshine. Oh, such bright sunshine. And it's winter sunshine, a little bit cold, and you can see the air is crisp and fresh. It's so good to get out. And this is San Jose. So these couple of days I have something to do in San Jose, so I went there quite often. And I remember 20 years ago when I first came here, there was no this kind of tall buildings. This was relatively new, 25, 20 years. So I was thinking maybe I can do a tour here. And I was just looking around. It's kind of interesting to see the places. And this is between two big, tall skyscrapers. And this area, I think they were planning to use it as a corporate meeting room, and this is a public path. I think this one there is no sign that not enter, and it connects to the parking lot, so it's a public path. And maybe some company can later on use it to buy that place and make a restaurant or something. But something makes me feel not comfortable is because of the wind. Oh, look at that beautiful, colorful structure on top of that bridge, the sky bridge. That's Adobe. And that drawing, that colorful drawing, it's on the wall of Adobe. Okay, so this area, it does not feel warm, it does not feel shady, it does not feel comfortable. I don't know, it's just some feeling. Maybe I think because of when you build a lot of tall building, it creates some kind of small atmosphere zone, and there is a lot of very strong and dry wind in this wind tunnel. Can you explain it in a more scientific term? I found in a lot of these tall building, or maybe because today is starting to get warm from cold day, so there is air circulation, but there is no tree, so it becomes quite harsh. The wind makes you feel not so comfortable. So maybe later on, if you learn architectural design, if you are an architect, think about how to make this kind of small area, but can be usable not only by putting a couple of chairs or things, right? If we plant some tree, some small bush, some plants, it kind of recreate a small atmosphere, a small world of micro atmosphere. And also maybe something about a roof, so that enclose a little bit of the area and control the air circulation a little bit. Anyway, it's beyond my knowledge, just my thought about it. And then I went to inside Adobe, and that building is Adobe a few a few months ago, I think just last year, if I see my pictures, I think May last year, I went to Adobe, and they had a technical seminar about Adobe Firefly, and they have this kind of technical product release, technical exchange, and I went there. I remember, and this place I have been to, but this time, last time I came to this building because I have a ticket. I have signed up. This time I was just passing by. Why not go in there, right? And I know they have a museum, and that museum is open to public. So I entered, and nobody cared about me. I just walked. Nobody stopping me. Seems not. I do not look like a robber. I do not look like a scammer. Or I don't know, whatever reason. So nobody stopped me. So I asked the receptionist, the person taking care of the security. I asked, "Is this public place?" Because I know in big cities, in San Francisco, there was such a thing called private-owned public place. So that's some big companies, big corporation, and they work with the city to provide some place for people to use the public, use the private sector's finance management, because they have security, right? They have the resource to take care of their some area. But public can go there, and it opens to public. So it's kind of a cooperation between the public sector, the welfare from the city government, from the local government, with the private sector. So I checked, and he told me, "This place you can go. Yeah, here you can go. Another place, the restaurant, I can go." So I was just enjoy a little bit. I actually did a live stream. I think I did it on TikTok. I did a live stream. It's a quite good facility, but there is no internet. There is no Wi-Fi. There is internet. I use my cell data, and if you want to use their internet, you need to have a code, and this code, you go to their website, they say, "Who is your inviter?" You get a code. I'm sorry, I'm not trying to be sneaky, but just let you know. Sometimes if you do need kind of connections, this is the situation. The city has internet provide the citywide community Wi-Fi. I didn't, maybe because it's slow, maybe because my phone has some problem, so I just use my data, did it. And how do I say, it's kind of interesting to spend some time and to sit in their lobby and to take a look at the museum, the very small showcase museum. And I saw their showcase, and it's very inspiring. All these big companies, no matter later on how they change into, they they start from a very inspiring idea, from a very innovative people. They want to do something in their life. They want to do something for the society. And it is very interesting, very inspiring. Well, a lot of big companies later on, because the company is big, it lose a little bit of its human touch. And I do not know about Adobe, but it's eye-opening to see it, and get inspired. In the sense that if you have a dream, keep on trying, and your goal may be working for a big company, maybe starting something big, but once you open your heart, open your mind, and have curiosity, you will see everything can be a topic for us to think, to discover, to ponder, to wonder, right? That's my experience of a tourist at home of Adobe headquarter. Yeah, it's quite impressive. Yes. From two gentlemen. One is Chuck, one is John. I forgot their name. Two gentlemen started not wanting to work for big company, wanting to start something new. Two persons started. The idea become big, become strong, become inspiring, and off you go. Make your dream. Thank you very, very much. I love you. I really do. Do. Goo bye bye.